Hey guys, this is Mike from B Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at the SOUNDPEATS C30 Bluetooth headphones. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So want to give SOUNDPEATS a huge shout out for sending these headphones out. This is actually the second pair of headphones that they send me, and I remember the first one being relatively nice. So again, thanks again for tuning into the video. Check out the rest of my channel if you guys haven't seen already, and as always, smash the like button and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways guys, this is the SOUNDPEATS C30 Bluetooth headset, right? From the making of this video, these headphones do retail for $54.99 via Amazon. I will post a Amazon link with a discount code, so you guys can get, believe, a little bit percentage off on it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the actual item here. So again, high-res audio, LDAC. Not sure what LDAC means, but someone will maybe correct me in the comments there. 12mm dynamic drivers, 52 hours of playtime, hybrid active noise cancellation, and again, they sent me the black pair, but you can get this in white. So just a heads up, you know, again, manufacturer Shenzhen Sound Soul Information Technology. So anyway, just a little bit of information there as far as what you see here on the back here. Let's go ahead and see. Again, the box is kind of one of those, it's a very, packaging is very good. First of all, let me tell you guys that much right now. You know, sometimes you order a pair of these, you know, headphones from Amazon, and they're very, but check it out. Hear the difference. I do like the box. The box does seem pretty cool. Let's take a look what else comes in here. Give me 1 second, guys. See if I can get that to come out. It's like a trick to get this little thing out. And I want to say this is probably just like the instruction manual, right? Definitely just more information about SOUNDPEATS over here. Peats Audio. You can download the Peats Audio app. That looks pretty cool. I definitely do like that. What are you doing? Okay, anyways, hold on. My cat's like jumping on the chair while we're making the video. But anyways, here is the actual pair of headphones here. Let me get them out of the little plastic, and then we'll get this going here. Packaged very well, by the way. So definitely impressed by the packaging, and I'm definitely impressed by the little carrying case that this comes in. It's not super heavy. It's very, feels very durable. And check them out. There they are, guys. The SOUNDPEATS C30 adaptive hybrid active noise canceling wireless blue buds. I almost dropped them there, like I always do in all my videos. Just a quick information about this as well before we continue on the video, guys. These are IP54 rated, right? Again, you can control the sound with that Peats Audio app, right? It says comfort fit, right? So I'm assuming it does come with several of those little earbud things that it comes with, right? Not too bad though. It does come with Bluetooth 6.0. Again, they're noise canceling, sports proof. So again, if you're out there running in the rain, or you know, you're just sweating a lot while exercising, you know, these definitely are going to hold up for you, and definitely going to be compatible with several Bluetooth devices such as iPhone or Android. And again, I'm definitely interested to see how these sound. Definitely they do look good. Let's see what else comes in the box. You can see the mess that I made here. I want to say the charger and whatnot. So here we go. The charger is going to be, let's see, the charging, where is it? There it is on the side. It is USB Type-C, so shout out to them for making it USB Type-C. And again, like I said, it does come with just those little couple of extra pairs of those little ear pads that, you know, come extra, and it looks like it does come with a USB C cable. So nothing too crazy out of the box here. Let's go ahead and put some of this stuff away here, and then we'll go ahead and get this connected. I plan to connect this to my Bluetooth headphones. I'm sorry, not my Bluetooth headphones, to my Pixel 9, to my Pixel 9a, which is sitting over here. So shout out to Google Pixel over here. Let's go ahead and see if we can set that up here really quick, guys. But yeah, for the most part, you know, a lot of times, let me go ahead and just get this phone unlocked. These are pretty straightforward as far as getting the items connected. Let me just clear out my notifications here if I can. It's definitely being weird, but anyways, okay, so let's go ahead and pull these out. Again, oh, I have them upside down, and it is pretty cool because you do have like a little indicator light over here, and I do like that little indicator light. But let's go ahead and let me pause this real quick, and let's see if we can get this all set up for you guys. Okay. Okay, so coming back here, let's go ahead and pull these out here. I definitely do want to make sure we're doing that right. So again, it does look like you do have to pull this off so that we can get these to charge here. Let's go ahead and pull that off here so that you can technically charge these. Just a heads up before we do connect these, right, guys? Information about the actual headphones here. Again, shout out to SOUNDPEATS for sending these out, right? Again, stuff they wanted me to mention in the video, right? Sound quality, right? So again, I'm gonna test these out, but again, these have clean, well-balanced tuning with impressive clarity, punchy low end without muddy in the mids, LDAC plus high-res wireless certified, rare in the price range, which again, these are under $100. Daily listening that sound consistently exceeds expectations for the price, right? Comfort and fit, they are very lightweight, so definitely lightweight and pressure free for the long wear. So definitely I'm definitely happy to test that out, because again, like a lot of times these little earbuds, they do tend to start hurting my ears after a while. It says exceptionally friendly for small ears, so that's interesting. I have pretty big ears, so I don't have that issue. Up to 10 hours of playtime per charge, 52 hours of total with the actual case. So as long as you're carrying this with you, you can use this up to 52 hours without having to connect this to an actual charger. Again, stable dual device connection for work and entertainment values. So again, let's see, H26. Okay, I definitely want to make sure. Hold on, let me close this. Let me put these back in, and then let me open the case again. Hold on, there we go. Let's see if I can get the Bluetooth to work here. 1 second. Let me open this again. Let me just see if it picks it up. I'm not 100% sure if it will or not. There we go. So it does. It is showing SOUNDPEATS as an option here. So pairing. It says pair with SOUNDPEATS C30. Allow access to. Okay, yeah, sure. Why not? Let's go ahead and pair it. So very easy. Again, all you have to do is just open the case, and then boom, it's connected. So let me go ahead and put the other earpiece in my ear here, and we'll go ahead and get this going, guys. Okay, guys, so I do have the headphones on, and one thing I will tell you is these are actually really comfortable compared to a lot of other headphones that I have used in the past. I have definitely connected or used a lot of wireless earbuds, and a lot of the times they are really uncomfortable. These ones, they're very small and they're very comfortable. One thing I would be afraid of is if I'm working out with these, like if it pops out, you do lose it, right? I am downloading the app that allows you to change the audio, but I am going to I'm going to listen to some music first. I do have some no copyright sounds here on my headphones, and I'm going to play something back really quick. I'm going to listen to for 10 15 seconds or whatever, just to kind of gauge what it sounds like, and then I'll let you guys know. So let's see, on 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so right off the bat, ooh. Okay, yeah. So I'm telling you right now, the bass on this is great, by the way. It's very clear. It sounds like I'm like in a movie theater and you hear the music all around you. I don't know how to explain that, but it does sound very clear. And I haven't downloaded the app to adjust any of the audio settings, so just the way it is, like, it sounds extremely good. Like, I'm kind of shocked, honestly. Like, wow, like, oh wow. Okay, like, this is good, by the way. Okay, yeah. Okay, so again, we're just testing them out, guys. Again, this isn't 100% real life use. This isn't me, like, using them for hours on end, right? Right, just right off the bat, I can tell you that the headphones are very clear sounding. Like, this is probably one of the clearest sounding pair of like earbuds that I've ever owned. Like, you know, I usually prefer over the ear headphones, but you know, I hate to say it, but like I hate wearing them sometimes because my head starts to get hot because they're over the ears. But yeah, again, super clear. I can't, it's really hard for me to not explain like how that is as far as like the clarity of it, but this is like very clear. So I definitely want to show you guys the SOUNDPEATS app before we close out, right, which is over here, and then we'll go ahead and get that going. But again, these are noise canceling. I feel like I'm having to raise my voice a little bit to talk so I can hear myself. So yes, you know, if you're sitting somewhere where it's a little bit loud, you know, again, they're going to be noise canceling to some degree, but you still can hear things that are going on around you. Not 100%, but I would say like, you know, it's about 40% noise canceling around you, what's going on. So anyways, guys, let's check out the app and then we'll go ahead and close out today. Okay, so here is the SOUNDPEATS app, guys. And basically, let's see, agree and continue. I'm hoping I don't have to register without having to use this device. Let's just see if we can skip. But yeah, let's take a look. Enter app, SOUNDPEATS Go Free. So these are just the different type of headphones they do have. This is not, obviously, this is not the only pair of headphones that they do have. But yeah, definitely, let's go ahead and enter the app. Go register. Oh, okay, hold on. Let me go ahead and get logged in really quick, guys. Okay, so it does look like I am already registered. I thought I was registered with my old device, but I guess not. But we do have to go ahead and add a device here. So let's see if it allows us to. It should pick it up right away. So let's see. What is this? Find earbuds. Okay, black C30. So again, I guess dual location assistance, experience now. Okay, yada yada. It says easily find your earbuds using the combined power of map tracking. Okay, so pretty cool. So like I mentioned earlier in the app, you know, just like kind of like other earbuds that you can purchase outside of the ecosystem, these ones you can actually like find if you get them lost. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let me put while using the app. So I'm definitely gonna just back out for now. Wow, everything's like in like, all I'm gonna say is like everything's like in I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese or what. Well, let's go ahead and just back out of that for now, guys. So it looks like there is a firmware upgrade for the actual headphones as well, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys didn't know, yeah, Bluetooth headphones like this do need upgrading, I guess, which I think that's pretty cool that, you know, you're having some sort of support to a certain degree, right, when it comes to stuff like that. So, you know, definitely don't sleep on the brand, you know, especially if they have support for stuff like this. I'm definitely already impressed. But let's go ahead and let this update, and then we'll go ahead and continue, guys. Okay, guys, so we did manage to update the app here. Again, it does say which headphones are connected, right? So, again, you do have certain settings, right? So, like, you have noise canceling. So again, you got indoor noise cancellation, outdoor noise cancellation, and traffic mode. And then you have normal, which again, this allows you to just do specific things, right? And then you have transparent, which let me see what transparent, which again, disable touch, I guess, you know, again, these have some sort of touch things on the actual headphones themselves. Game mode, movie mode. LDAC, which again, I need to see what LDAC is. I really need to see what LDAC is. Okay, LDAC mode. Let's see. Enable LDAC mode reminders to provide you with higher quality listening when you choose to enable LDAC. The dual device connection feature will be disabled automatically. Game mode, movie mode, and dynamic EQ will be unavailable. The earbuds will restart. And to apply this change after the restart is complete, please reconnect the device to start enjoying high definition quality LDAC mode. Okay, so right now it is telling me that it is disconnecting and that it's powering on. So I'm interested to see what that is. I'm gonna put the earphone on again, and I'm gonna go ahead and play whatever song I was playing. Okay, so I am playing this song by No Copyright Sound, so I mean, it's hard for me to tell the difference between LDAC mode and what I had before, but basically I did have just the, you know, the regular settings that it is supposed to come with, guys. But yeah, for the most part, I'm gonna have to mess around with this a little more. It does sound really good, by the way, so let's click it again. There you go. So again, okay, LDAC, okay, so LDAC is enabled, by the way, guys, but again, you do have several modes, right? You do have a lot of several modes here, and the cool part is you can go to like and change your equalizing settings as well. This is what I love about this brand of headphones is, right? And I'm sure other, you know, you can get this on other headphones, but this one's pretty simplified. So you do have adaptive EQ, right? You do have preset modes already, like bass mode, treble, bass reduce, right? If you want to, you know, pay attention to more of the treble when it comes to some of the music that you're listening to, right? That has maybe more vocals than anything else. SOUNDPEATS Classic, right? Default sound effect. But again, you could have your own. You have adaptive EQ. Please make sure to turn off yada yada yada. So again, I don't know what adaptive EQ is, but I'm going to leave that off for now. But yeah, guys, I can tell you right now, I'm definitely impressed by, you know, by these headphones. Yeah, I mean, bass is crazy, by the way. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, the quality on these is probably, honestly, I can tell you, one of the best sounding earphones that I've ever listened to in my, you know, my YouTube journey. You know, putting on these headphones, and you know, I didn't have high expectations going in. I did like their other headphones that they sent me. I forgot the model version of those. They did sound good, but they definitely did not sound as good as these headphones, guys. So I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, check out the link in the description below, and you know, you want to definitely check out your SOUNDPEATS headset over here, right? Let's go ahead and zoom in on those real quick, right? Definitely one of my favorite devices of 2026 so far, and you know, we just started. So again, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, right? There's just a lot about these headphones that, you know, maybe I might have to cover more in another video, right? But for now, again, you know, basic stuff, guys. Again, you know, to summarize what we talked about, right? You know, again, these 52 hours of playtime, you know, 10 hours at a time, you have 50 hours with this. Again, it's Bluetooth 6.0. Again, it's high-res audio, and it's, when they say it's high-res audio, it's high-res audio, guys. The audio on this sounds great. It's amazing. Very comfortable, honestly, very comfortable for me. It says windproof, again, noise canceling. Just a lot of great things about this, guys, about these headphones. And again, you will see a discount code down below, so check that out if you guys can. Again, guys, Mike from B Tech Review signing off. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.